So we look at the timing. A lot of people are talking about 2 years from now, there won't be any brand in independent pharmacy, right? That a lot of brands coming off, a lot of the big brands are coming off patent, et cetera. Isn't it time that we get rid of rebates? Rebates make it really hard for pharmacies to rebate. And in my opinion, rebates are a lot of things just as bad as DIR fees. They make it really hard for me to plan to, what did I make on this drug, really plan my business. We see some buying groups across the country getting rid of rebates and going to straight pricing. I think this was, rebates were created, in my opinion, to create fog with PBMs. Well, the PBMs know it now. There's no fog, right? They know it. The purpose of rebates has passed. So what do you guys feel about that? What are you doing toward that? Do you feel like rebates still have a place in us trying to save and revitalize independent pharmacy?
Yeah, Jeff, we used to have a rebate model in our warehouse, and we eliminated that this year. So we had generic rebates associated with our purchases. We've gone to a net model.
Nice, congratulations!
Eliminated those rebates in the last couple of months.
How's pharmacy responding to that?
The response has been really well. I mean, we have, it's easier for, the RX purchaser to identify the price up front, what they're really paying. So the response has been overwhelmingly positive. And we've seen kind of record levels of re-engagement with customers that maybe have gone dormant because they didn't like the rebate model. It's been very positive for us.
Was that hard to get done? Was that a big, we talk about how IPC did that, and we were like,
how heavy of a lift was that?
Did Marc come in and like, yeah, this makes sense, we got to do this, or was it really hard to do?
It wasn't hard to do. What was hard was committing to the decision. So I think the execution of it wasn't terribly difficult. It was really, and with Marc's leadership coming in and saying, yeah, we absolutely need to do this.